Okay, so it's Monday night, not Tuesday night, not Saturday night, but we got some visitors because you know what? Woo! They fought through the traffic to get down here so I'm glad there isn't a big crowd, so they get a special seat, front row seat. And you guys get front row seats too. You got really front row seats. So this is a clutch of babies that actually the other half of the clutch already hatched. We just had a fun time watching them stick their heads out, right? Yeah. I like this pack. I like you guys too. So anyway, they came from out there, by the way. They came from Chino, from one of the posts of my stories. And so anyway, this guy was just pretty much out. And look at this. So it's a Citron. This is a Citron Tiger. And it's 100% ready to come out. But some of the other ones aren't going to be ready to come out because they have to breathe some air. So if you guys are ready, take a moment, click that little thing down there so you guys can check out this whole video. And let's see what we got. Okay, let's see. We'll start off with this one right here. Let's see. You guys can come right up in here if you want. Oh. So, for instance, wow, this is another one of those mystery snakes. That is really weird. I don't even know what this... Wow, this one's really a mystery. We can't figure out what the last one was. Look at that snake. Wow, you guys are good luck. Look at it. It's got like a Batman on the top of it. What would you call that? A bat on its head? What do you guys think? I don't know what it is, but it's cool. I wonder if we have... So the other half of the clutch had one like this. Now this is really interesting because we don't even know what it is for sure. And I guess we're going to have to find out as they get a little bit older. So this was a special clutch in the respects that it's some of the first albino, platinum, sunfire, titaniums in the world. And look at that. This is crazy. There's another one. This one's even more white, but it still has a yellow stripe on its side. See the yellow stripe down its side? So that is a really unique snake. And this one doesn't have a Batman on it, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I don't know what's going on, what we're getting out of these snakes, but they're different. They're really different. So this breeding was like, I guess it's a sun platy albino, I don't know what the heck, white phase, because I know the other part of the clutch, here's a white phase right here. And there can't be, although this could have two fathers, but if there's only one father, then they pretty much have to be white phase because one of them was a het. So they have to be whatever they are. And there's a white phase Citron Tiger. And they were asking earlier a good question about the eggs being soft. And you guys want to feel it? So you can see it's actually, tell them what it feels like.
It feels soft, like kind of semi-squishy.
Semi-squishy. and everybody that thinks snakes are slimy, here's the only time they're slimy. Everybody always thinks snakes are slimy. They're not slimy. Snakes are, now there are eels in the ocean that are slimy. There's actually an eel called a slime eel that I used to catch when I was a fisherman, and they lived in a ball. Oh, look at that. That's a titanium, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's an albino white face, sunfire, possibly a platinum. Titanium. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's not going to be ready to come out just because I think that was one that wasn't cutting. Come on, back in. I'm not going to check right now because I want to get this video rolling for you guys because we already found two crazy snakes. Now we got to find out if there's more. And the question is, what are they? Because, I mean, to be honest, I mean, they can be a tiger, sunfire, platinum, white phase, albino, and we have never seen one, so it's possible. There's a Citron. There's a beautiful Citron Platinum, and which is the mother was a Citron. I mean a Titanium Platinum, had albino tiger. So there's a Citron, just a Citron, because the mom is the whole thing. So you guys got to pick the lucky egg for me. What's the lucky egg? Everybody look at the eggs and decide which one is it. Is it that one right there? Is that one right there? What did you guys think?
Or that one.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. There's a titanium. So there's a titanium tiger right there. And it looks very nice looking. And it's got a chance of being, oh, let me think here. It depends on who the father is. So I guess no matter who the father, it's 100% het albino. It's 100% titanium because both fathers that we had in the enclosure at one point were both albinos. Oh, look at that. Whoa, that is beautiful. So that's a sun platy titanium. And it's gorgeous. It's got really nice color, beautiful pattern. This is actually a breeding that is one of my highlight breedings because it was some stuff that we originally got the original titanium out of the wild. And so we were able to make almost everything world's first on it because we've had them for so many years. And so believe it or not, if those are, oh wow, look at that. So this is not the rare, well, actually it is. It's not that crazy. It's actually a sun platy, citron, orange glow. And actually pretty snake. I don't know if I've ever seen one, to be honest. And let's see, I'm gonna get to that lucky one here, you guys, see what's in there. But those other ones, even if they're just platinum, titanium, platinum, albino, titanium, sunfire, tigers, they're the first ones in the world. Because in white phase or any phase, because having it all together in one snake is just not something anybody's done. So, here we go. What do we got? What do we got? Oh. Whoever picked this egg. Ooh, that's another one. Wow, look at this one. Now, I can't figure out this because this snake has no color of any kind. And now, remember I was talking about being ready? So before, when they start breathing, see on the end of that right there is actually a big sac, and it's gonna soak that sac up now that it's got air. So nice, healthy baby. So now it's just gonna go ahead and absorb that yolk. And the reason why I'm cutting them is because some of them drowned. Some of these have already cut, but we don't wanna risk any chance of losing any. And let's see what we got here. We're waiting for the grand finale, you guys. You guys ready?
Yes.
Oh, there's a Citron Platinum, I think. And let me see here. So these have like a little bit of a mold type thing going on, a red mold, but it doesn't hurt them. Always do well. There's a Citron Tiger, and that one might be ready to come out. It's got a little spot on its nose like a super tiger, but it's not. Let's see what we got here. And that is a Platy Sun Citron, het albino. Whoa, there you go. You're ready almost, huh? Huh? Look at you, little guy. He's like, what are you doing? Let's see here. Oh, there's a beautiful, beautiful Citron. Just, I think a sun Citron.
It's pretty.
Okay, I think we're gonna cut this one. That leaves two more finale eggs. Let's see here, you guys. So how long you guys been following me? What do you follow me on?
TikTok.
Oh, you follow me on TikTok.
Instagram.
Look at that, you guys. So there's not your everyday snake. Maybe a world's first right there. That is a sun platy mochino. That's right. Woo! Hey! You better pick the next cool one because I don't want to miss out. So I think I'm almost positive that's a first ever Citron Sunfire Platinum Orange Glow Titanium Tiger. Wow. That's really cool. I think that's the same as the other ones, but just in the which egg is the special one here? Oh, this one isn't open. You guys figure out which one's special. Are they both special?
Let's see.
You already picked a good one,
Maybe
so.
this one. Yes, that one.
Look at this. Wow, this was a sleeper. This is a completely different looking snake here. Look at that.
Wow.
That is really cool. So let's see, are you ready to come out? I'd love to show you guys, show it to you out. But now in order for me to do that, I gotta look at it and see, and guess what?
He's ready.
Umbilical cord is gone. Wow. So the umbilical cord is all done. That is a beautiful snake. Tim, wait till you see a couple of these babies. No, you're not gonna believe it. Yeah, you'll see. Everybody, you're gonna see too, because we're gonna do an update video. So this is a lucky one?
Yes.
Okay. This is gonna be a lucky one too, because I'm feeling really lucky because I got all these cool people watching on both sides. Yeah. So So they came from Chino. Where'd you guys come from to find this? Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, beautiful snake. So, Tim, this has to be a motley, right? Come here. It's got a pink back. Maybe not. I'm confused about that one even. Whoa. Is it just a different one? Look at that.
Boy, that looks like a motley.
It does, right?
This one looks like a motley.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
It's got that special back that motleys have.
It does.
So this might be a split clutch father. But look at this, Tim. Check this out. Okay, we got to cut the last egg for everybody out there, but I want you to look at.
Now that looks like a motley.
Look at this egg right here. So here we go, guys. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Okay, here we go.
An ultra.
It's not an ultra. It looks like one because it's got Batman on his head.
I wish it's a female.
Wait till you see the rest of it. So there's a tiger citron. So anyway, what do you think? Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this one, all white.
This looks like a motley. I got bleach on my hands. I don't want to touch it.
Can't touch it with that hand. Okay, you guys. So they came from Chino. I still want to know where you guys are watching from, right? And I think they're louder than you are, right? Yeah! Okay, take care. We're living the dream. This one's taking off on us. And hope you're having an awesome night, an awesome morning whenever you are watching it. And better yet, have a great year. It's almost New Year's, man. It's coming up.
Right. Happy New Year.
Happy Christmas, Happy New Year's, and I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. So, peace out from the Reptile Zoo and Prehistoric Pets and all their friends. Take care.